Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Getting Rich. I'm Zeki. Today I got a new video for you, and it is like how to make money on TikTok. Well, this guy, his name is Kaden Booth. He's got 800k followers, and yeah, he just shows ways to make money, kinda. So I've scrolled through his TikTok side hustles videos. He made part 1 all the way to part 20. I'm going to test one of these out and see if it's going to work.
Making thousands of dollars on TikTok right now. I've made a ton of money on this app posting free TikToks, and you don't even need a lot of followers, and you don't have to show your face in the videos. Here's a couple of the ways you can do it. A ton of people on TikTok like this make thousands of dollars posting simple videos of Amazon products. Here's how you can do it. First, go to Amazon's affiliate website and sign up as an affiliate. Now go on TikTok and look up hashtags like these. This will show you.
So what you first need to do is go to Amazon Associates and sign up as an affiliate. So I already did that. This is my login page. As you can see, there's 0 clicks, commissions, nothing. So we're just fresh from the beginning.
Show you videos of.
Now what we need to do is we need to get to TikTok again and get some videos with hashtag Amazon Finds. Alright, one of these is like this. Hell, this one is pretty cool. So, as you can see,
I bought it, so you.
Oh, so as you could see, we could use this video and not give her credit. Yeah, it's the free way, bro. It is what it is. We just gotta like finesse some videos and just put it online. Alright, so I already did some of them. Wait a minute, we're going back to get them both. Like this one has a hashtag Amazon Finds, you know. Just search for like hashtags with Amazon Finds or TikTok made me buy it, Amazon must-haves, you know. Get to products like these and eventually put it on your TikTok.
There's some products that already went viral on TikTok. Now just order some of these products to your house and record some basic TikTok videos with them.
So obviously we're not going to order it. It's too much trouble. But what I'm going to do is kinda dumb in a way, but also you won't get in trouble because the video will be deleted if there is any kind of copyright. So that's why. Alright, let's go to the next one.
Now go back to Amazon's affiliate website and copy the affiliate links to the Amazon products you chose and put those affiliate links in a link tree, then put that link tree in your TikTok bio. Since you chose Amazon products that have already gone viral on TikTok before, your videos also have a good chance of getting a lot of views even if you don't have much followers. So if people watch your video then want to order the product, they click the link in your TikTok bio and order it off Amazon, and then Amazon pays you a percentage of whatever they buy. You can post up as many of these TikTok videos as you want, and you can just return the Amazon product when you're done making the video.
Well, that is a good idea, actually, that you order the product and then you return it after you're done making the videos. Like, it's a good idea, but also I don't want to have to spend money to make money. You understand? Like, you don't have to spend money at all with this strategy, but I'm lazy kinda and I don't want to do this. So that's why.
A ton of people make thousands of dollars a week doing this. Here's another free way you can make money on TikTok. A ton of brands like these are wanting to advertise on TikTok and they need somebody to run their TikTok.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that. He just explained it. Go to Amazon Finds. I mean, go to the affiliate program, sign up, get yourself some nice products get the link like this, text, and then you'll get a link, boom, just like that. Put it all in a link tree. This is what I did. Go to my profile. I just did that yesterday. I got 4 videos right now.
The coolest thing I have ever ordered from Amazon. This is called the Bartesian. It's an autumn you pop.
Yeah, nice. Okay, look, this is one of them. Alright, and from TikTok you can't like put your link, so you have to say like click on Instagram for product link. So if they click on my page, I'll link my Insta to this, right? I think I did. Bro, wait. What I need to do is, I still got 0 views, so you can't make a ton of views if you take other people's videos. It's normal, of course. They got a whole search engine like this, and they know exactly if you copy and paste some videos, but they still won't know. So what I need to do is I need to follow a lot of people, get to 1,000 followers, make sure I put like things like in here that will make people get interested, you know, and eventually profit from this. It is a hassle. It is a long time of work, you know, especially if you don't choose your own content. So what I would suggest, use your own content. Right now I'm not going to do it, but eventually I will. And yeah, wish me luck. I'll probably update you guys on this. And that's it. Have a good day.